What's up, everybody? I'm Seth Fowler. Happy 4th of July for those of you that celebrate. I'm wearing my most patriotic jersey that I have. I think it's also probably the most patriotic jersey in the NBA. Philadelphia 76ers, you know what it is. Best team in the NBA, 2020 title winners. We'll see what happens. I'm actually pretty happy about what happened in free agency. Yes, it does kind of suck that we let JJ Redick go, and of course we knew that Jimmy Butler was going to leave. I still love you, Jimmy, but Miami, really? I'm also going to try and not look too smug when I say this, but hey, Tom Stefanik, how's Al Horford doing? Oh yeah, he's doing better because he's on the Sixers. Just a little discussion we've been having, but on to the point of the video, the unboxing. So today I'm unboxing two different packages. One of them is from Supreme, and it's something that I bought last week, so pretty excited about this. And then the other one is a complete and total mystery. I have no idea who it's from. I don't recognize the name on the address. I don't recognize the address. I don't know if it's sneakers. I honestly have no idea what it could be. These are actually the packages that are the most exciting. I'm pretty stoked on this one, so let's save this one till last and jump into the Supreme unboxing. I really hope there was nothing fragile in that box. Okay, so as you can probably tell, this first package is something from Supreme, and it's probably a shirt because of the size of the package. But this is something that I didn't think I was actually going to be able to get. I don't usually get lucky on Supreme drops, but whenever I do, it's manually, which is kind of crazy. Still don't totally know what I'm going to do with it yet, whether I'm going to wear it or whether I'm going to sell it, so I'm not actually going to unpackage it farther than what we're about to do, but I am excited to see it in person. So first things first, we've got the Supreme bag right here, as you would expect from all Supreme online orders. We've got, oh nice, some stickers. Try not to cut myself. Okay, so first things first, we've got what looks to be a purple Supreme sticker. Not sure what this is, but I'm not too up on like the Supreme knowledge, so that's just way past my knowledge level for Supreme, I guess. I'm not like a huge Supreme fan. I buy stuff every so often, stuff that I actually like, but I don't buy things every week just because I don't think it's necessary. But you know, you've got your Supreme box logo right here, and then you've got your Buju Banton sticker, the man himself. And then also on the back you've got some nice text. So for those of you that didn't know, Buju Banton is a super famous reggae musician from Jamaica. He's played with people like Bob Marley, and I believe he actually took some sort of hiatus from like 2011 to probably last year or this year. So I think that's why this collab is coming out now, because he's back into music. So really excited to see this stuff. I'm not like a huge fan or anything, I just have heard the name before, so just wanted to let you guys know who this was. So here it is, the Buju Banton shirt that you can't actually see. I'll put a picture up on the screen. Like I said, I don't know what I'm going to do with this yet. I just bought it off Supreme. I don't know if I'm going to rock it. I don't know if I'm going to sell it. I just have no idea yet what I'll do with it because I'm not a huge Buju fan, you know, so it's not something that like I need to have. It also came with a little button, which I didn't know it was going to come with. It says, "I love power, violence, Supreme." Interesting. The quality of the shirt looks okay. The printing quality isn't incredible, but it's definitely not bad. The colors are nice and saturated, which is good. I mean, it looks like a nice shirt overall. So, still deciding. We'll figure it out. If you see me wearing it in a video, obviously I kept it. Now on to the thing that I'm most excited about. This mystery box right here. It's not a mystery box. Like, I didn't buy a mystery box, but it's a surprise package that showed up from someone I don't know, from an address I don't know. It could be something dangerous. I'm not totally sure, so should I be wearing like gloves or goggles or something when I open this? It sounds full. It sounds like there's a lot in there, so why don't we pop this guy open? If this video posted, it's not something dangerous. I'm just cutting into the box onto the tape. It's taped so well. Moment of truth time. Here we go. What? Okay, so we've got a note. The note reads, "Hey Seth, this bud's for you. In light of you designing your first shoe, the Crunch Force Ones, with Mr. Peanuts, we raise a bud to you." That's nuts. See the pun? That's not even on purpose. I've been saying that so much as like a joke, but now I'm just saying it seriously. Oh, God. Can't wait to see what's next. Congrats to you. Your bud. From Budweiser. I don't think Budweiser and Mr. Peanut are associated in any way. What? Budweiser stuff? I've never gotten anything from Budweiser. It's not beer, unfortunately, but it is what it is. So let me move this box off to the side and I'll pull things out one by one. So first thing out of the box, we've got a Budweiser container and also a crown balloon. This is sick. That's so nice of you guys. This is like super, super nice. I don't understand why they send me this. This is awesome. Let's see if it floats. Okay, well, it might have lost some air in the time that it was sitting in my living room, but it is what it is. So we've got this nice Budweiser 6-pack container right here. That's awesome. I've never had one of these before, so this is cool to have. I'm excited for using this on the beach. It's gonna be really awesome. And then the last thing inside the box actually has my name on it. That's so crazy. How did they get my name and address, actually? Whoa. They sent me a customized bomber jacket. That's so sick. It's got the white Budweiser lettering on the front. It's got my name embroidered in the back. Oh, and it's Hillflint. Hillflint makes really, really nice bomber jackets. This is crazy. I was honestly expecting sneakers. I was expecting sneakers from like a random shoe brand or something like that. I was not at all expecting like anything from Budweiser, first of all, but also a really, really nice customized bomber jacket. This is nuts. Actually, come to think of it, I couldn't have planned this any better because I'm filming this for the 4th of July. It's not actually the 4th of July today when I'm filming this, but I'm filming this for the 4th of July. And Budweiser is one of those brands that you think of when you think of the 4th of July. I love bomber jackets too. I don't know if you guys saw my Alpha Industries unboxing from a couple months ago, but bomber jackets in the fall and winter are like my go-to. I just love them. And this is just like the coolest thing ever. Oh, it's quilted on the inside. No way. Look at that. This is sick. Let me throw it on really quick. It is hot here. It's summer, so it's definitely hot, but just give me a second while I feel myself really quick. This is so sick. I can't believe it. Look at that. What? Oh, you're looking for me? Oh, I'm right here. What's good? What's up? How you doing? Yeah, I'm about to go on my yacht. I don't know why I have a yacht in this scenario, but that's just the first thing that came out of my mouth. I am sweating a little bit though because I have to turn off my air conditioner to film. But this is like the coolest thing I've gotten in a really long time. Budweiser, thank you guys so much. If it wasn't hot as hell on the 4th of July, I'd be wearing this. This is just so sick, and the fact that you guys sent it to congratulate me for the Crunch Force 1s, I mean, I can't even believe it. Thank you guys so much. Budweiser, you guys rock. You guys are awesome. I feel like I need to say this again just in case some of you guys thought this was sponsored, but I didn't know this was coming. I've never worked with Budweiser before. This is like totally out of the blue. I'm blown away. Thank you guys so much. But happy 4th of July, everyone. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Sick. This jacket is awesome. I'm so stoked on this.